What's up, guys? How's everybody doing out there today? I've been better. I'm kind of drowning in boxes here, so we're gonna try to take care of that in this video.
Ready to dive into custom water cooling but unclear about what parts you might need? Check out Thermaltake's new M360 Plus RGB kit. Featuring a D5 pump res combo, 16mm hard tube, Pacific Sea Pro fittings, and the best RGB implementation on the market, the M360 Plus fits all mainstream Intel and AMD sockets and is fully expandable as your system evolves. Check out the link in the video description to learn more.
Alright guys, so as you probably are aware, I do get a fair amount of packages into the office, and over the past week or so, I've been in the process of trying to remodel things a little bit down here. As you can tell, this is a new set for me. I got this table, I remodeled my office a little bit, put more storage in there, got a new workbench. So during that time, I haven't really had time to address any of the packages that have been coming in, and they've just been piling up. So I figure, why not do a video where I unbox all these boxes, because they seem to be, I guess, kind of popular right now. And I want to fit in to the trend and be like everybody else. So we're just gonna have a few on the table at a time, otherwise things get kind of overwhelming. Some of these are from vendors, some of them I've ordered. You know, there's some stuff from Newegg, but I guess not everything from Newegg is stuff that I ordered. Some vendors send stuff through Newegg because like that's where they have their warehouse. So I'm actually not sure what's in at least half of these boxes. So I guess let's just dig into them. All right, so this first box is actually from InWin. Judging by the size of it, I doubt that it's a case, although their A1 is pretty tiny. I don't think that this is it. Oh, it's their new Polaris? Oh, these are the aluminum fans, the Polaris aluminum fans. Excellent. So, these are basically the same as their regular Polaris fans, except they have an all aluminum housing, and they're a lot more premium looking and feeling. So looking forward to using these in a build. This one says it is from CV Star Incorporated. I don't remember ordering anything from CV Star Incorporated, although it's certainly possible. What do we have here? Oh. RG Strix X470i gaming motherboard. This is their mini ITX version of their X470 Strix board. Very sexy. So I'm not going to take the whole thing out right now, but I'll throw some B-roll up afterwards. But this is a really sexy looking board. It's got a lot of the features that their full-size boards do. It's got addressable RGB header. It's good for overclocking. Got M.2 cooling. So looking forward to using this in a build. Probably next month. Okay, moving on. This is from Justin. This might be something that I bought off of a Reddit forum. There's a Reddit like buy and sell PC hardware forum that I'm part of, that I often buy some stuff on. And I think this is one of them. This is a Wraith cooler? Yeah, that's it. So I wanted the Wraith Prism cooler, and I also needed a box for a Ryzen 7 processor because the samples that I got for Ryzen 2nd gen, so the 2600 and the 2700X, actually came without boxes. They were just the chips. So I needed somewhere to store my Ryzen processors, and I also didn't get one of the Wraith Prism coolers. So I went and I got one. Boom. Brand new Wraith Prism cooler. Excellent. I don't know when I'll be using this actually, but I feel like having it is a good thing. Moving on to Newegg. Don't know what this is. I order a good amount of stuff from Newegg, but I'm not sure if I ordered this in particular. What is this? Ah, the Cryorig, the H7 Quad Lumi. I did order this. I have a build coming up that I'm going to need this for, and it's just one of the best tower style air coolers on the market. And with the RGB implementation now, it looks really cool. So another thing, always good to have, H7 Quad Lumi from Cryorig. All right, a slightly bigger box from Newegg, and I do know what is in here. I ordered a I ordered a power supply because I needed a Corsair unit, and Corsair didn't have any in stock that they'd be able to send me. So here we go. The RM650i power supply. Power supplies at this wattage are always really good to have, just because I mean, this is basically the wattage that you're going to want for most builds, unless you're going super high end or I guess super low end. This kind of is the nice correct temperature porridge for almost any build. And it's Corsair unit, so it's going to be high quality, 80 plus gold, fully modular. What's wrong with me? All right. Okay, next. Another Amazon box. This one says it's from Deepcool, not Amazon. So it is from Deepcool. Okay. These are their MF120 fans. These things are crazy looking. I'm glad they sent me over these. Kind of want to get these out of the box and look at them. So they're kind of frameless. Like the frames are just kind of in the middle, and that's what I guess holds everything together. And the hub is on the bottom of that frame. These things are crazy looking. Look at the size of this box too. How many are in here? 3 fans. 3. It specifically says 3 metal fans, and you control them with Android or iOS or Wi-Fi. It's pretty cool. All right, so I'm definitely going to be using these in a build. Just not exactly sure when, but hopefully soon. Soon. Let's say soon, because they look too cool to not use. All right, so got a bigger box here from Cooler Master. So let's just see what's in here. Not sure what Cooler Master is sending me. Hopefully it's not something that detonates. Okay, these are their Master Fan MF120R. So this is a 3-pack of their addressable RGB fans. And they sent me over. Oh, geez, I'm terrible at this. They sent me over another ML240R RGB cooler. So I guess they wanted me to use this, seeing as the one that they sent me last time didn't work. But we're definitely gonna find a spot for them. I actually have I have an idea of what to use this for. And depending on the order of how these videos come out, you may have already seen it. So, I don't know. If so, then you know what's up with this. But, I mean, I've used it in I've tried to review it before, so you guys are probably familiar with it. But 240 millimeter addressable RGB liquid cooler, and then a 3-pack of their RGB addressable fans. So, pretty cool. Thanks, Cooler Master. The last box is big. Maybe I'll open it on the floor. I got it open. And this last package I purchased on the recommendation of Paul from Paul's Hardware. Oh boy. These are new lights. You can't see me very well, can you? So these are LED lights that are going to be taking the place of my current. Come with stands? I'm not gonna be using the stands. So these are the Drawcast or Dracast LED lights, and instead of using giant soft boxes, I'm gonna be using tiny LEDs. So this should actually help clear up a lot of space in here, and one of the reasons that I was doing this kind of remodel was to get more space and to get more flexibility with the space, so I don't take up as much room in the basement. So these should definitely help a lot. I thought they came, oh, these must be the, yeah, these are the barn doors. So these attach to the front, and then you can barn door it up. Hello. Hello. I I don't know, I got British there for a second. Hopefully, when everything is all set up, maybe I'll give you guys a tour or something. Or maybe I'll save that for Patreon. So if you want a tour, check out my Patreon, link down below. But yeah, these are definitely, I mean, my soft boxes, just for reference, are probably, I don't know, 5 times the size of this. So definite space savings, and also a lot more convenient and temperature adjustable. So for those of you guys who aren't familiar with lighting, you could adjust this so that it's like a pure white. You could adjust it to be like a tungsten, which is more like an orange, just depending on what kind of need you have. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to get all this stuff out of the boxes, and now I have a load of cardboard that I have to put away. Great, made my basement more dirty. But lots of great content coming up using a lot of these products. So if you're looking forward to that, make sure you get subscribed to the channel. Check out my merch store link down below. Get subscribed if you're not already. All that good stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.